kitty playing with you? What's your buddy? Kitty! Kitty! Give the kitty the beads. Smart baby. You know he likes those beads, huh? He likes when you play with the beads. And it's your buddy? That's your buddy? He likes when you play with those. You're so smart. Honey, you're so smart. Huh? Honey, you're so smart, honey. Oh, you're gonna snuggle the kitty? Oh, very nice, kitty. Oops, sorry. Wow. Oh, look at that. And this is the kitty that was so jealous when Hannah came home from the hospital. Huh. He didn't think he was ever going to get used to the baby in the house. That's her best friend in the house. So here you go, kitty. I know this is your favorite. He's awesome. There's your friend. Kitty. Hannah said kitty? So I know how to say kitty. And I know what kitty means if mommy says kitty. Kitty? Kitty? Watch your claws, little mama. I'll beat your little butt. And they're just playing. Aww. Okay. You had enough? Good job.